Learn how to make money online. How can I make money online like all my friends and family are? What sort of opportunities are there on the internet to make money? Can I easily and quickly turn online opportunities into profit? Read on to find out how best to start making money in the online marketplace. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. You can always just search Google for pointers about making money. You will find that search engines will deliver up many pages containing countless money-making options to choose from. After you locate something that you're interested in, you should look and do some research on how well reviewed that company is. Always proceed with caution when joining an online earning opportunity. When you are in a hurry to make money, watching about the topic may seem frustrating. The fact is that the more you know, the faster and better you will be at bringing in income. This video has given you the foundation you need, so build on it with experience and more learning. Student loan.